Welcome back to MVP Auto, the place where we bring you the most exclusive automotive reviews on the planet. Today, we're diving into something that feels more like a dream than reality, the $5 million Ferrari Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right, Ferrari has taken its supercar DNA and stretched it into the ultimate luxury motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of wealth, design, and engineering brilliance. Let's start with the exterior, because the moment you see it, you know it's a Ferrari. The front styling pulls straight from Ferrari's most iconic supercars with a sharp aerodynamic nose, sculpted LED headlights, and vents that look ready to slice the air at high speeds. Even though this is a motorhome, Ferrari made sure the proportions stay aggressive, with sleek lines running down the body and a roofline that flows with elegance. Carbon fiber details are everywhere, keeping the massive vehicle light for its size. The wheels alone are a work of art. Custom 24-inch Ferrari-forged alloys with carbon ceramic brakes, because even a motorhome from Ferrari doesn't compromise on stopping power. From the outside, it's impossible to mistake this for anything other than a Ferrari masterpiece. Now stepping inside, this is where things truly blow your mind. The interior feels like you walked into a luxury Italian penthouse on wheels. Premium hand-stitched leather wraps every surface, with Alcantara accents and carbon fiber trim reminding you of Ferrari's racing roots. The cockpit is still driver-focused, featuring Ferrari's signature steering wheel with integrated controls and paddle shifters, something you'd expect in a LaFerrari but not in a motorhome. Behind the driver's cabin, you're treated to an expansive living area filled with modern tech and luxury. There's a lounge with electronically adjustable seats, a massive OLED smart TV, hidden surround sound, and a panoramic sunroof stretching across the ceiling to flood the space with natural light. Moving further back, the Ferrari Motorhome offers a full kitchen with Italian marble countertops, high-end appliances, and custom cabinetry finished in piano black. The bedroom is fitted with a king-size bed, ambient lighting, and even Ferrari embroidered linens. The bathroom, think luxury spa on wheels, rainfall shower, heated flooring, and gold-accented fixtures. Ferrari spared no expense in making sure every inch of this motorhome screams luxury. But Ferrari is Ferrari, and performance still matters. Underneath the sleek exterior sits a monstrous V12 engine producing over 800 horsepower, paired with a hybrid system for additional torque. This motorhome can sprint from 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds, which is unheard of for something of this size. The top speed is electronically limited, but Ferrari made sure handling feels sharper than any other motorhome on the market. Adaptive suspension, rear-wheel steering, and aerodynamic technology borrowed from Ferrari's race cars give this rolling mansion a driving feel no one else can match. Of course, all of this comes at a price, and the Ferrari Motorhome sits at a jaw-dropping $5 million. It's not built for the average traveler. It's for the elite few who want to combine the thrill of a Ferrari with the comfort of a luxury home on wheels. That wraps up today's review of the $5 million Ferrari Motorhome. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow MVP Auto for more insane reviews of the world's most exclusive cars and motorhomes.